In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with NBKC Bank online for the year 2025. Applying for a credit card online can seem a bit daunting at first, but with these simple steps, you'll find it to be a quick and straightforward process, all from the comfort of your home. First things first, you'll want to visit NBKC's official website. Simply navigate to www.nbkc.com on your web browser. Once you're on the homepage, look for the section labeled Credit Cards. This can be found either under Personal Banking or Business Banking, depending on the type of card you're interested in. Now, let's talk about choosing the right card for you. NBKC offers a variety of options to suit different needs. If you're someone who loves earning rewards for your spending, you might want to consider their rewards or cashback cards. For small business owners, a business credit card might be the best fit, offering features tailored to support your business expenses. If you're in the process of building or repairing your credit, a secured credit card could be the ideal choice. Take your time to read through the benefits and details of each card to decide which one aligns best with your financial goals and lifestyle. Once you've made your choice, it's time to start the application process. Click on the Apply Now button to begin. You'll need to fill out the application form with your personal information. This includes your name, address, and date of birth. Be prepared to provide your social security number as well, as this is crucial for credit assessment. Additionally, you'll need to enter your income and employment details. These specifics are essential as they help the bank assess your eligibility and determine the credit limit that can be extended to you. The next step involves verifying your identity. NBKC requires a photo ID for this purpose. You can upload a copy of your driver's license, passport, or state ID. This step ensures that everything about the application is legitimate and secure. Now that your identity is verified, it's time to submit the application. Review all the information you've entered carefully to ensure it's accurate. Once satisfied, go ahead and submit the form. NBKC will then take it from here and conduct a credit check. You can expect to receive an email from them with their decision regarding your application. If your application is approved, congratulations, your new credit card will be mailed to you. Upon receiving it, you'll need to activate it before use. You can easily do this online through the NBKC website or by calling the number provided with your card. And there you have it, a complete guide to applying for a credit card online with NBKC Bank. Each step is designed to ensure a smooth and secure application process, making it easy for you to get the credit card that meets your needs. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your application.